Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Ankr coin price update. Ankr coin goes positive in the market, and guys, I'm very happy to see these positive changes because I found Ankr coin after a long time, after a huge falls. I found Ankr coin positive, guys, and I believe, guys, that for a long time Ankr will continue this bump, guys. Anyways, let me show you the price update of Ankr coin. The right now price is about 0.086306 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Ankr coin. And furthermore, if you study the changes update, so now last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, these all changes occur in the Ankr coin is positive, guys. And I'm very happy. I'm very happy to see this update, guys. And I also believe that you will be feeling good about Ankr coin. You can see obviously now they are going straight to the moon, guys. I mean, Ankr going to the moon. Just comment Ankr to the moon. It's celebration time. Positive 11% the price increase just in last 3 days. 11%, that's good jump. I'm very happy. Anyways, guys, what do you think? What is your prediction about Ankr coin? Also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.